Alright, we're going to start looking at a rectangle, and we're going to use a property of a rectangle in order to tell us properties about something else later. I'm going to go ahead and fill in some of these angles here for you. I know that if this is 25, I know that this angle is 25. We already found that out. I know if this angle, we're going to go back to the original, if this angle is 25, then this angle over here is 25. I know that if this angle over here is 25, I know this angle over here is 25. I can also look at the other angles, 65 degrees, degrees, 65 degrees, 65 degrees, and 65 degrees. Alright, I'm going to concentrate on what we call something that we're going to be learning about today. And what is that? I'm going to take this line right through here and I'm going to focus on this line. Okay? And I'm going to focus on this line of the rectangle. Everybody okay with that? Alright, so what do I have here? Well, because of my properties of a rectangle, I know that this line is parallel to this line. Are you okay with that? Alright, we have two parallel lines, or a set of parallel lines. I'm going to take this diagonal and I'm going to extend this diagonal. So far, so good? Alright, this little line, or rather big line, this is what we call the transversal. We okay so far? Alright. What we're going to be learning about today is a pair of parallel lines and the transversal that cuts through that parallel line. Little important thing I want you to know, this angle here is the same as this angle here. We're going to be looking at a lot of things like that. Alright? So in the next page, you'll see how everything plays out. But I want you to know that this idea of a parallel lines and the transversal, it comes from the idea of a rectangle.